Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you some of my best picks for presents for her. Many of you have asked me to create such a video, so finally, days before Christmas, I am posting it. I hope you find it useful for some last minute Christmas inspiration. So let's get started. I'll start by introducing you to one of my favorite jewelry brands. It's called Luisa. And honestly, I cannot think of a girl that doesn't like getting new jewelry pieces. Why I love this brand so much is because it's sustainably created and it has a very fair price range starting from just $39. They have incredible pieces of jewelry and in fact they create them in small batches to ensure the best quality. So here is one of the latest jewelries that I got from them. So I got a layered necklace that I find super original. Another pair of one necklace with a matching bracelet. Look how beautiful. I just love how their jewelry shines. And here is the layered necklace. They currently have amazing selections of layered necklaces, so make sure to check the link in the description of this video and check the full collection. What is even better is that they currently have their holiday sales. So if you get one piece of jewelry, the second one is at 40% off. So make sure to check it out. And why I love their brand is because not only that they're great quality, but the jewelries are super easy to style and they pretty much match every outfit. So they're great for everyday looks or when you're going out for dinner or when you just want to experiment with your outfits and put some details on the jewelry. Another great present idea would be to get a nice perfume. So here I have selected two. One of my favorite brands that you can find at pretty much every perfume shop is the Chanel's perfumes. I love them because they're super classy and they last forever. They have great fragrances to choose from, so make sure to check them out. If you want to go for something more exclusive, I'll recommend you the perfumes by Kilian. Look at the case they come with, and the bottle is so beautiful. They're really exclusive, and the fragrances that you can choose from are so incredible. I'm sure it's gonna be her favorite perfume from now on. Another great idea would be to get a nice cosmetic box like this one. This is a really amazing Italian brand that creates cosmetics with truffles, and I really love how pretty their boxes are. So I'm gonna leave a link as well in the description for all these products so you can check them out. But make sure to check this brand because they really create amazing luxury beauty products. Another great idea is to give her a wallet. This is something that she'll be using every day, and here I've picked one from Ted Baker because I absolutely love their designs. They're super girly and cute, and their price range is usually between 50 to 150 euros. And look at the details in the little crystals, they're just so pretty. Another not so usual gift idea would be to gift her a pen. This one is by Swarovski. I pretty much love everything that blinks. So if your girl is like that, definitely check this present idea. In your everyday life, you often end up needing a pen in your bag, and this one is just like a piece of jewelry to wear with you everywhere you go. The little crystals inside the pen are just so beautiful. So this is really a great present that she'll probably carry around with her everywhere she goes. The most important present, of course, would be to make her feel special and loved every day of the year. So don't forget that. I hope this video has helped you and has given you some ideas of what you can gift as a present. Another idea that I couldn't really share as an item here with you would be to get her a voucher for her favorite beauty salon, for example, or a spa treatment, or to book a dinner for two in one of her favorite restaurants, for example. So I'm gonna leave the link to all the items in the description of this video. I hope this has been helpful and I'm wishing you all a great holiday season.